And as you can see, there are bracelets and watches.
Let's see what's in here. It might be the same. Or it might.
And if you can see,
So it's the same.
there's markers in here too.
So it's the same as hers. But yeah, we're going to open it up. And we're not going to sell these ones. But the other ones we're going to sell. But these ones, no, because they're ours. Now, get out, you little... Get out of the box.
So I'm going to get,
Can you help me get this, Izzy? Can you help me get this out?
sure. You go like this, I think. How did you put this in?
I didn't even put it in, so...
Yeah,
So,
didn't.
connected. So, I'll help you since you're helping me. That's what sisters do. They be nice to each other.
Sister power. Okay, just open up. You stupid.
So, Izzy, which one do you want to keep? Which one do you want to keep, Izzy?
So, give me my. I got it. Okay, so I opened my thingy, and
You just need
I will get this out and get
this one.
this and
Cooper
one.
Trooper, don't even make a sound. How do we get this out? Oh, there we go. I got it. Now I just gotta figure to get it out.
So I got this part out. I have to get this part.
Can you help me, Izzy?
A second. I know it's only been a second.
You mean 10 seconds?
No,
100 seconds?
no.
100 infinity seconds?
I've almost got it out.
Yeah. Oh, and I almost got it out.
Okay, I've got it out, and here's what the watch looks like. So that's what the watch looks
So
like.
I got part of it out. The time.
I'll get.
So I'll put this on.
Hey, this is mine. This is mine.
Oh, and I want to get the pens out.
I think we should.
Yes, because I want color.
So this is the same watch.
Yep. Now give it to me. Now we'll put them on to see if they fit us perfectly.
And we're
But
going
first
to
I'll-
slow time down so one of you guys can be slower
So we're
and
going.
make less pollution.
So we're going to go really in fast motion. Not really fast, but yeah, as fast as we can. There.
So I got the watch on.
So I got the watch on too. And
It's pretty good.
and it has now we're going to get the pens out. Yeah.
Okay, I'll get this.
Oh.
And they're coming out already.
Uh,
Okay, so
how do we
these-
get the
oh, here's
pens
one
out?
I'm getting it up. Okay, so these are the colors of the pens. There is
And
green.
we're going to color this.
There is blue.
Can you help me,
There is
Izzy?
red. And last but not
They're
least,
markers.
yellow.
Can you get mine out?
Of course, my little sister.
We're gonna see how this little bag got here. Oh, and it has a little tag. For Tacie's kindness and Izzy's kindness, you have been good during.
You have not been kind this year.
Izzy. She has not been kind this year. No, I'm not.
No, you are not.
Yes, I am.
No, you are not.
Yes, it says.
You wouldn't let me come into the tent.
Well, because of you.
Hey.
and Tacey's kindness.
How dare
It's
you?
really nice. So I gave Tacie these markers and a watch.
How dare you, Tacie? You don't even keep track of time.
Oh, it's one.
So these are
One
the seven
third,
colors, and there's
It's
always
1-3 right now.
That's a cup.
So guys, it's 1-3 right now.
You do not know how to tell time.
Yes.
So this is the same time.
Can somebody help me here?
Okay,
Get this.
And these markers are meant to color the watches and the boxes boxes.
So,
Okay. And there are other bracelets, but as you can see, they're not watches. They're just bracelets.
they smell good.
They do? Are they scented?
They smell.
Mm.
I'm coloring the box.
This is my box. Wait, is that mine?
No. Yours is under here.
Oh yeah, it's this one. So this one has flowers and you can color it.
So here's my box I made. Now I'm gonna do a little bit of blood. Just kidding.
Yeah, she likes just like blood.
I like to make red like blood.
How rude.
Sorry.
Or I believe it's how crude.
So watch how I'm coloring really careful. Now I need this box. And look, I'm gonna draw a little picture.
Why are you drawing a picture?
Guys, that's what I want to do.
You're a weirdo with a beardo.
You're a weirdo with a beard.
I do not have a beard. You do.
No, I don't. Daddy does.
No. Nobody does. Only Santa Claus does. How dare you?
So this is my picture. It's me opening a case of a watch, but I didn't want to make the case.
You have to make the case if it's a.
And I'm using the blood marker like Izzie.
I'm not using a blood marker.
So here's the case, and I'm opening it up. And I won't make the watches. But here's the top that I took off. Happy birthday to the ground!
Yeah, you did really say happy birthday to the ground because you're a weirdo.
With a PB.
And I am going to color this heart blue this time. Ooh, this blue looks really good. I love blue.
I love this yellow.
Oh, and I'm making green because of the yellows mixing in with them.
Oh, I'm making orange. I made orange. Oh, but I mixed the colors.
Okay, guys, time to wrap it up. Somebody say something to the camera.
Okay,
bye-bye.
So thank you for watching this video, and tell us in the comments whose box is better.
Yeah, mine is better.
Yeah, right. And tell
Yeah,
us
but
in
you
the
didn't
comments
drop
who's
it.
meaner or kinder.
Yeah, I'm kinder. Izzie's meaner.
No, she's not. I'm the kinder one.
No, I'm kinder.
Kindness.
I'm Miss